Hey guys, so I've ordered a Wildflower case a few weeks ago and it has just arrived today. So I'm gonna do a review to show you my case that I bought. So here is the case. It's a Wildflower blue Plaid. It's a case for 6 plus, 7 plus and 8 plus. So when you receive the case, the packaging, you will have this tab and you will pull them up like this, and here is the case. So I ordered from the Wildflower website, so they'll give you a sticker that is related to the case that you have bought, and another sticker that is from another case that's on their website. So yeah, so this thing has a velvet smooth feeling for the case and it feels very premium. And here is the case. Looks so nice. I've been wanting to get this pattern for so long and it has finally came. So okay, let's see. So this is the booklet it comes with. Welcome to the fam, Wildflower. And here is everything you need to know, and it's by Michelle, Devon and Sydney. And don't forget to tag them. If you have buy, they will answer to you and they will like your pictures. Pretty amazing. So let's talk about the case. So this is the case. It's a blue plate and it has the Wildflower logo here, the jewel I mean. The logo is here at the side, the buttons. Inside has a very smooth fabric. It's a good protection for your phone, as well as the bumpers. And right here, as you can see, I'm not sure it can be focused, but there is actually a code which I can't really read it out to you right now, but yeah, so this is the case that I bought and I like the Wildflower cases a lot, as I have used one on my phone right now. Not to brag, but yeah, it's iPhone 8 Plus. So this is my case. My previous case is from Wildflower. It's the turquoise case, which I never do a review about because I don't know, why not? And this is a pop socket from the pop socket website. It is the premium diamond. I have no idea what it called it. I think blue. I have no idea. It has the same material, same bumper, and everything. So right now I'll put on my new case and I'll show it to you guys. As many people know, you put in from the side, the volume button in, and then the power button. Ooh, nice. Ah, I like it so much. So nice. So amazing. The button is so easy to press. That's what I like about the case. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.